again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best carpet cleaner in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
It's a rich thing.
Number 10. Bissell Little Green Pet Pro. The Bissell Little Green Pet Pro portable carpet cleaner may be the right choice for those looking for a more portable option. This handheld model has a lightweight and compact design with an integrated handle, making it easy to carry around the house or even to different locations. It features a 5-foot hose and comes with 3 different attachments to help you clean stairs, upholstery, stained sections of carpet, and more. This unit comes with an assortment of handy tools: a pet stain tool, a 3-inch tough stain tool, and a spraying crevice tool. For a compact model, this carpet cleaner offers a generously sized 3/4 gallon tank. The 20-foot power cord isn't as long as some of the upright carpet cleaners on our list, but it's still relatively long for a handheld model. Each purchase includes a trial-size bottle of the Bissell Pet Pro Oxy-Urine Eliminator formula. Number 9. Hoover Smart Wash Pet Complete. If you have pets, you might want to try the Hoover Smart Wash Pet Complete Automatic Carpet Cleaner. This model is designed to be user-friendly and effective at removing hair and pet stains from your carpets. The Flex Force Pet Power Brushes work to pull out embedded dirt from carpets. These antimicrobial power brushes are also resistant to pet odors. Another feature that pet owners will appreciate is the Spot Chaser Pre-Treat Wand. When you come across pet stains on the carpet, spray them with a wand for more effective removal when you clean using the carpet cleaner. An antimicrobial pet tool for cleaning stairs, furniture, and more is also included with each purchase. Unlike many other models on the market, there's no need to pull a trigger to release the cleaning solution. You can simply push the carpet cleaner as you would a standard vacuum. Number 8. Hoover Power Dash Pet Compact. Those looking for a more budget-friendly option should consider the Hoover Power Dash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. This model costs just less than $130, which is significantly less expensive than all of the other upright carpet cleaners that make our list. In addition to its economical price, the Hoover Power Dash is the lightest option on our list. It only weighs 12.5 pounds, which makes it easier to carry up and down the stairs or to push around when cleaning the carpets in a room. Keep in mind that this unit's tank capacity of 0.62 gallons is on the lower end, which means you may need to interrupt your cleaning session to refill it. However, the Power Dash offers strong suction and heat force technology to remove dirt and stains from carpets and help them dry quickly. Number 7. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. This Rug Doctor is a real workhorse that powered through our tests and did the best job at removing fresh stains, old stains, and odors. Exactly what you need when pets are part of your family. Its large tanks hold 64 ounces of cleaning solution, so there's a lot less refilling and emptying during big or multi-room jobs than you would experience with smaller models. Though heavy, especially when full, its retractable handle and large wheels make it as easy to maneuver or wheel into a closet for storage. Place it either at the top or bottom of a staircase, and with its 4-foot stretch hose, you'll likely be able to clean an entire flight. And another plus for homes with pets, the Rug Doctor's nozzle has rubberized bristles to grab hair while it's removing stains. Take note, it's louder than some other portable models we tested. Number 6. Bissell Crosswave All-in-One Multi-Surface. Flat area rugs or those with low, dense piles are generally easier to clean, and deep pile carpets. Dirt tends to stay mostly on or near the surface, and spills can be blotted up quickly. So when they do need cleaning, less aggressive methods are safer and usually do the trick. Bissell's Crosswave gently cleans area rugs with a soft microfiber and nylon brush, so there's no fear of damaging the short pile or fraying any loops. This lightweight, multi-function 2-in-1 vacuum and mop also vacuums up dry dirt and wet cleans bare floors. We've tested several models from the Crosswave line in our lab, and all have performed well picking up dry debris and wet messes. cleaning stains from hard flooring, and refreshing dingy rugs. Set-in stains will likely need pre-treating, and this model doesn't have a self-cleaning function like most other combo vacuum/mops we've tested, but cleanup after use is still easy. Number 5. Bissell Big Green Professional. While it's difficult to achieve the same carpet cleaning results professionals can get with their industrial equipment, Bissell's Big Green is the most user-friendly professional-style home carpet cleaning machine we've tested. The large 1.75-gallon tanks are super easy to fill, carry, and replace, and the spinning flow indicator on top takes the guesswork out of knowing when the cleaning solution needs refilling. Though it looks bulky, it's simple to operate and relatively easy to maneuver for a machine this size, even when full. The adjustable handle moves to the most comfortable position for each user and folds for easier storage. Keep in mind that the machine weighs in at over 40 pounds, so those with carpets to clean on multiple levels will likely need help carrying it up and downstairs. Number 4. Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Power Brush Plus. Even if you own a full-size carpet cleaner, sometimes it's more than you need or want to deal with for just an occasional spot on the carpet or couch. Those are the times when a lightweight portable carpet cleaner is a practical solution. In our most recent test of this category, this Bissell model was our best overall winner for stain and odor removal, sound, runtime, and more, outperforming the larger models we tested. It erased fresh and dried red wine and blueberry pie stains with ease, and we found it easy to set up, clean, and store so it's ready to go the moment a spill happens when speed is key. It was also among the quietest models we tested. A built-in rotating brush gently agitates the carpet pile and works in Bissell's premixed detergent solution for deep cleaning, but it can be switched off when tackling stains on delicate fabrics. A nubby rubber tool makes tackling pet messes easier and less messy. Number 3. Tineco Carpet One Smart. Even carpet cleaners are getting smarter these days. Tineco's Carpet One Smart Carpet Cleaner brings intuitive technology to the carpet cleaning space. Like the Tineco Combo Vacuum Mops we've tested in the Good Housekeeping Cleaning Lab, this carpet cleaner works with an app and automatically adjusts the suction and water flow according to how much dirt and debris it detects is being picked up. Voice prompts tell you when to refill the clean water tank and empty the dirty water tank, and lights alert you when the area you're working on is clean. Its built-in heater keeps the cleaning solution hot for optimal stain fighting, and the heater helps dry carpets faster, too. In our tests, we found this model cleaned carpets very well and was much easier to maneuver than bigger machines. Number 2. Hoover Smart Wash Automatic Carpet Cleaner. In our experience, Hoover's floor cleaning appliances offer great value for the money, and this carpet cleaner is no exception. While it may not always be the least expensive model on this list, keep in mind that prices on these appliances fluctuate frequently, and with its good performance and innovative features, this model offers lots of pluses, even when there's a small hike in the price. The Hoover Smart Wash Pet Pro is a full-size carpet cleaner with a unique removable stain pre-treating wand that allows you to address stains without bending over or reaching for extra bottles of carpet cleaner. It's battery-operated and holds its own canister of stain solution. Simply pop off the wand, point, and shoot to zap a stain. Other notable features include dispensing an automatically mixed combo of water and cleaning formula through its double brush rolls. Nothing for you to measure and no triggers to hold. Number 1. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. Through the years, our experts have tested many of Bissell's full-size and portable carpet cleaners, including an earlier version of this model, and found them to be effective, easy-to-use appliances. And Bissell was the first to incorporate heat wave technology in its upright carpet cleaners, which helps maintain the temperature of the warm or hot water you put into the tank for better cleaning performance. In our experience, using warmer water does improve your carpet cleaning results. While we haven't tested this exact model, we have tested similar ones from Bissell with many of the same features, so we trust the brand's performance and are comfortable recommending this model. Plus, it has over 8,300 ratings on Wayfair. Other Bissell innovations that make carpet cleaning easier are its targeted spray nozzle for zapping stains with the intent cleaning solution simply by tapping a button with your foot.